Hi everyone, welcome back to You and I Can Cook. In this video, I will show you how to prepare chicken green masala curry. It is one of the sought after dishes among the Mangaloreans. We can use the same masala to prepare mutton or beef curry as well. Full ingredient list is at the end of this video. Do check out the full recipe and let me know your feedback in the comments below. Let's get started now. I have cleaned and washed the chicken. Now let's marinate it. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a little bit of salt, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Mix well and set aside for about half an hour. Now let's grind the ingredients to a thick smooth paste. Tomatoes, 1 Kashmiri chilli, green chillies, garlic, ginger, tamarind, onions, fresh coconut, mint leaves, coriander leaves. Also add while grinding coriander seeds, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, peppercorns, cloves, cinnamon. You can add 1 teaspoon of couscous or a few cashew nuts while grinding. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee or oil and fry 1 sliced onion till it turns translucent. Add a quarter teaspoon of salt while frying the onions. Now add the ground masala paste and fry till the raw smell of onions and garlic ginger disappears. Add half a teaspoon salt. Masala has fried well now. I will now add the water from the blender after I have removed the masala. You can adjust the consistency of the curry by adding more water. Add a little oil to the heated pan and fry the marinated chicken pieces lightly to seal in all the juices. This step is optional. You can directly cook the chicken without frying. Now add the fried chicken pieces to the curry. Mix well. Cover and cook for 20 minutes. Add 2 medium potatoes cut into medium cubes. Cover and cook for another 10 minutes or till the chicken is done. Adjust the salt now. Squeeze in a little lime juice to balance the taste. And it's done. I'll turn off the flame now. Here you go guys, chicken green masala is now ready. You can serve it with panpale, appam, sanna, dosa, naan or even rice. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for more awesome recipes. Thanks for watching.